Welcome to the 20th edition of Annual Photography Competition of Orange City Photographers Club Nagpur. Entries for the competition are now open. I am Dr. Matrish Vyas, convener for the competition, and in this video I am going to tell you how this competition is going to work, what are the steps involved in entering the competition, and what are the precautions you need to take before submitting images to this competition. We have slightly different timeline and amended categories. So stick to the end of this video and you will know how this entire competition is going to work. This year we have raised the prize money and the winner of each category takes home a cash prize of rupees 21,000. There are total of 21 prizes to be won across 3 categories and a total prize money of rupees 1,53,000 is to be won by the participants. So what are the categories? Number 1, wedding. This category was highly demanded by contestants last year and we had specifically included it for the wedding photographers. Both Indian and international wedding images are welcome. The second category is travel and festival. In this category, you can submit any image taken anywhere in the globe while traveling. It can be a street photograph, a portrait, a beautiful architecture, or an image displaying the culture. You can also submit the images of festivals celebrated across the world. The third category is wildlife and nature. This is the obvious category and we invite images shot anywhere in the world. A unique portrait, a mesmerizing wildscape, or a thrilling action. All images of wildlife and nature are welcome. But exercise a caution. Do not submit any images which you have already submitted previously to this competition. That is the competition of Orange City Photographers Club. You can submit images which you have already submitted to other competitions other than the Orange City Photographers Club. For the Orange City Photographers Club, do not repeat your entries. We want some fresh images to be seen. The images which are repeated will be outrightly rejected. Please note, also by submitting the image, you categorically declare that this image is taken specifically by you. You have the copyright and also have obtained necessary permission from a person or place which is depicted in your image. Please note that there are 2 specific requirements before you can upload. Number 1, your resultant image must be less than 2 MB in size so that it becomes easy for you to upload on our website. Number 2, each image file must be renamed in a proper way as outlined in our guidelines. Please read our guidelines and rules before you enter this competition so as to avoid any disappointment and any chance of rejection on a technical ground. So what are the timeline? Entries open on 15th of March 2024. Early bird entries are accepted till 30th of April 2024. Final deadline of entry is 20th July 2024. We will announce the shortlisted images on 31st of July 2024 and winning and shortlisted images will be displayed in a physical exhibition at Nagpur from 16th to 19th of August, and on 19th of August, that is World Photography Day, we will have a prize distribution ceremony. So what you can win? The first prize in each category is rupees 21,000. The second prize is rupees 11,000 and the third prize is cash rupees 7,000. In addition to these 3 prizes in each category, there are 4 more special mention prizes of rupees 3,000 each. Talking about the entry fee. Irrespective of the categories in which you enter, the entry fee of rupees 600 applies. If you are an early bird entrant, that is you submit your images before 30th of April 2024. If you submit your images between 1st May to 20th July, then the application fee or the registration fee is rupees 800 irrespective of the number of categories you apply. Please note that deadline for the competition will not be extended. We have a strict timeline and have an obligation to display all these images physically in Nagpur between 16th to 19th of August 2024. If you are following this competition, you must be knowing that every year we declare the result on World Photography Day, that is 19th of August. So we do not have any leeway for extension. Please note. How to enter? All entries needs to be submitted through our website link. I will link that in the description of this video. You can submit maximum of 2 images per category. It is not mandatory for you to submit in all the categories and at least 2 images per category. You can submit even a single image and win the prize. So that is all about 28th annual photography competition of Orange City Photographers Club, Nagpur. Thank you for watching, and I once again invite all of you to participate in this competition. See you later at the time of declaration of the result. All the best and keep exploring.